from PNW Drive. Looks like we have great weather for the drive today. Decent group coming out with us. We're gonna be heading down Chuckanut. Then from Chuckanut, we're gonna be heading over to Bow Hill Road. And then we'll get back onto Old Highway 9 up to 542. 542, the rest of the way up top. Once we get up top, Artist Point is still closed right now. They're still getting all the snow off from the top. So we're gonna be stopping at Heather Meadows Visitor Center. It's about 1.5 miles short of the very top. Amazing views, huge parking lot. So we'll be able to end the trip up there. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the cars warmed up, lined up.
The devil's at your door. Yeah.